Identity verification successful. Welcome to the Far Space Fleet's HQ, Miss.
So that's your first birthday surprise for me. Thanks. I like it as is. It's just, oh, you know. Someone celebrated my birthday by showing up with 2 cups of coffee. So where are my cake and presents? You didn't forget those, right?
Happy birthday, Colonel Caleb. Please collect your commemorative gift from the administrative desk within 3 business days.
It's an automated reminder. Don't worry about it.
According to the data from your recent physical examination, your chest circumference has increased by 0.613 centimeters. Congratulations.
I think it got infected with a virus. Let's go. There's no point in wasting the rest of our day here. Eyes on the road. Did you try it? How will you know if I like the drink without tasting it yourself?
Happy birthday, Colonel. Here is your commemorative gift. As for the response to the SS-07 Squad incident report,
I've been temporarily released from my duties for 18 hours. Not really. Prisoners can get their sentences reduced. These fleet problems just keep piling up, and there's no end in sight. Huh. I'll be sure to apologize before ignoring his reports next time. Okay, that's enough. It's my birthday. I'll be jealous if you pay attention to anyone else. I was joking. I'm always like that.
Oh, it's you. It's been a while since I saw your friends around here.
I didn't see you last time.
A couple of years ago, your buddies had a huge birthday celebration here. You couldn't make it that day, so your friends recorded a video message. They even used our equipment to create a life-sized hologram of you.
Oh yeah, that was a thing. What a creative idea. I bet you had something to do with it. Yeah, sure. I'm curious about the kind of cake you picked out for me back then. How many birthdays did we celebrate like this? These flowers, and the cake you prepared, they're beautiful. All right, the cake you made is the best. And how exactly did you do that? Of course you do. It only happens once a year. We can't skip any of the steps. It's something like that, yeah? Okay, I'll tell you. I'm happy that I finally get to enjoy the cake you made for me without having to share it. It's okay. I'll just send a picture to him later. I'll tell him this cake alone is better than the 360 they made combined. We can get you a new jacket before walking around the mall. Then let's go to the model store. I lost a metal part recently, and one of my mechanical model beasts still hasn't found a replacement tail. But didn't we always do this? We snuck out after eating some cake and then we had fun. We wouldn't go home until it was really late. Why not? In that case, I'm guessing the amusement park and heading straight home aren't options anymore. It was an honest guess. I wasn't sure of anything. But since you have plans, and my aircraft happens to be parked nearby, we can go wherever you want. So that's why you asked me what movies I wanted to watch the other day. You also kept refusing to go to a movie theater. Really? Have you done those normal things with someone else then? I know, but... It doesn't change the fact that I'm happier now. I just said that to get through the interview. I didn't really think about it too much at the time. If I had known you'd make it come true today, I would have wished for something less ambitious. Is that really necessary? You always manage to surprise me with something better. I can't imagine what it'd be even if I tried. A Day with My Pilot Tata. This movie's over a decade old. It must have been tough to find a copy. Yeah, it's part of the My Pilot series, but it's not exactly an exciting adventure. After many flights and adventures, Tata returns to their hometown to enjoy a peaceful, heartwarming day. A simple slice of everyday life. It sounds kind of boring when I say it like that. You know, I wonder why I watched it so many times. I decided to become a pilot early on in life. I just thought that if I could fly, I could go anywhere in the world. But after taking geography classes, I realized that the world was actually an abstract concept. Beyond every city lies another city, and above the sky is the cosmos. It's just like Tada's adventures. Once you take off, you just keep flying and flying. You never stop. After the initial thrill of exploration wears off, these endless flights feel like a burden. Sometimes I fly for dozens of hours. There's nothing but the instrument panel's beeps to break the silence. I miss the most ordinary, uneventful moments of daily life during those times. Is there a reason for me to stop? I didn't remember that birthday wish until you mentioned it. When I first thought about screening a movie in the sky, I think this film is what I had in mind. But back then, I never thought I'd be watching it with you.
wishes. Okay, I'll go first.
You were sleeping so soundly, and I didn't want to wake you. But then I found this. There's no need to hide it from me. It must have been from when I was on a mission and couldn't make it to dinner.
Happy birthday! May your journeys always bring you home safe and sound.
Happy birthday! I hope you'll stay healthy, and may all your wishes come true. Happy birthday! I hope you'll always make it home on time. That's surprisingly practical.
Thank you. And it's good that I watched it. I would have missed out on getting 2 birthday wishes otherwise, huh? I always liked birthdays. I get to receive well wishes from a lot of people. And you. Yours are special. Of course not. Back then, you'd always get so excited on my birthday. You treated it like your own holiday. You sang to me, prepared my presents. You had this eager look on your face as you wondered where I'd take you. Out of all the days in the year, this is one of the few that holds a special meaning for us. And I'd like to think that this day only belongs to you and me. Hmm? I like it. I really do. This is the best birthday I've ever had. You've been asking if I like everything today. Is that question very important to you? I see we're talking about a very serious topic now. The sun doesn't cease to exist just because you forgot to look up. It'll always shine wherever you can see it. time and time again, you've always allowed me to want more than what I thought was possible. Is this the post-credit scene? Right. Well, I'm here. You used to always watch me open your gifts and hear me say how much I like them. It's not midnight yet. Don't leave me. Not until my birthday's over. Lemon flavored. Whenever you give me candy, it's always the sourest one. I think I'll look forward to more changes after we celebrate this birthday. I know that's not your gift. I'll twist your words on purpose and use them to catch you. Gravity can't be responsible for people who fall in love. I'll remember more than just this. I'll always remember that these things came from you. See, this is how you draw me in every time without fail. You dreamed about me before? That day will never happen. Losing signal, not being able to see what's around me, none of that matters. My flight path is in your hands, and I already know my destination before I take off. There's only one place I want to reach. It doesn't matter what obstacles stand in my way. Its coordinates have been recorded here a long time ago. I didn't make a wish before blowing out the candles at the restaurant. Can I make one now? No, it's okay. I already know what I want to wish for. I wish we'll always fly under the same sky and be in each other's lives. And I'll wish that every year I'll follow these coordinates on this day. As I venture through the darkness, all because they'll lead me back to you.